Hey, you ready for part 2?
Part 2 of what?
Part 2 of our gadget caching in BC.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, great. Here's the first one
Let's
of
go.
part 2. Sword. Cool. Woo! I am the sword master. Yeah, okay, let's just skip the cache.
Your mission, brief, should you choose to accept it, is observe, uncover, retrieve, and conceal, which is armed with some primitive yet formidable and mysterious contraptions. Decoding the castle's riddles are said to unravel the location and provide you access to the coveted castle's log, scroll, and booty box. Probably not much. However, it is an experience you speak.
Popped off. Do not turn me.
Pull me.
Pull me. There's a magnet.
Let's try that. Oh, look!
There's the key. And the key to the lock. Open the door. What do we see in the door? Oh. Shield colors left to right. Excellent, we're in.
Booty box.
Booty box? Whoa. This side up. That's for all the booty.
Ooh.
Travel bugs. A couple of them.
Spider-Man. Ball.
Nice. You gotta tie it on. Tie it off.
I don't know what the JTOT is. Ooh.
It's not just a log sheet. It's a scroll. Dum da da dum. Trumpets flare. Nice.
The sword is a really unique feature of this puzzle.
Yeah, that's really neat. It's a great way to start off this episode. And there's 3 more to go with high favorites. Should be more just like this one.
Let's keep going.
Okay.
Learn some and think some and draw some, paint and sing and dance and play and work every day. Robert Fulton. Balance is the key.
Balance is key.
Let's see what we got here.
It's looking rather complicated. It's like a science experiment. The lock on the bottom has 3 numbers, and the combination is RAT. So the motorcycle is R. Hook that up using the number of washers. And then the A is the jar, and then the T is the wrench. So you have to use the different combinations of washers to figure out what the combination is and balance the whole contraption.
That was good.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah. That took a bit to figure out.
How did you figure that one out?
I figured it had something to do with the washers, and it was numbers, so I was like, what? How do I get numbers? So
I never would have figured that out. I don't think, well, maybe I would have, but Lair class got it. Thank goodness. That's why we keep her around. Hints and tips. This one is called Picture Perfect. 1 hint per stick. 5 sticks, 5 hints.
So there are 10 pictures. Solve the picture clues to narrow down your search to 5 tiles. The 5 you want relate most to geocaching. The remaining 5 are not needed. Strategically place your 5 chosen tiles in the black box so they all sit at the same height. Having the proper 5 in the box at the same height will reveal the code to the cache. Okay. On city...
This could take us a while, but we've got the right person on the job for it. So, and we do have a bottle of hints.
Green, gain, again, try again.
So we're looking at the different clues, and it's kind of like, what was the name of that TV show? Concentration? No. Is it? It's kind of like the old TV show Concentration, where you had to put together like puzzles. So this is C minus T, and the boy is crying. So C equals T, and the boy is crying. So it's tie. And then A plus a bottle of gain is try again. And you're supposed to find the ones that have to do with geocaching. So 5 of those. This one probably doesn't have to do with geocaching, so we're going to discard it. And then this one is next time, so we get rid of that one.
This one says nope.
And this one says rope. Rope, R equals N, so nope. So we just have to figure out from all the clues that we have,
must be these 3.
get them into the box in order to get the combination. We didn't need the clues, but I just had to check myself. And this one says no lollipops, and there's a kid licking a lollipop. So it basically tells you which ones to toss out if you can't figure it out. But she figured it out without needing the hints and tricks. Now she's arranging in the correct order in order to get in, to get the number for the cache, for the log sheet.
Yes. Yay!
We're in.
Ooh, look at it. It's pretty red.
Wow, nice.
Is there a chocolate in there?
Some pretty cool caches so far. This part 1 and 2 of the gadget caches near Merritt, BC. Just amazing. I don't know why we haven't come here sooner, but it made for a great outing today, and we're going to go camping afterwards. But we got another cache to go.
Tripped over what could have only been a big crack on the sidewalk. I was bending down to pick up my glasses. Somebody with glasses.
Yeah, we've done a few like this before, and maybe you have as well. Put that in the comments below. So you got to figure out by the clues the number of people to get the combination for the lock.
That's orange, that's orange, that's orange. I froze. I had no idea what was going on. The speedy blur of orange screamed, "Hey, you in the t-shirt." So, glasses and a t-shirt. This one's got glasses, that's not a t-shirt, that's not a t-shirt. Nope. So that one, oh, this one, it's that one. Move it or lose it. I remember.
Cool, there we go, we're in. Guess who? Nice.
Ooh, we got it.
Many different ways you could have figured that out, and we had columns, rows, and numbers of people, and she figured it out. She got us in. We've done ones like that before, but this one is quite the twist.
It really made us scratch our heads.
Yeah, we got in, but we can't show you how because you really need to come and experience it for yourself.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Thanks for joining us on this part 2 of gadget caching near Merritt. Where will geocaching take you?